rice flour. This is a very easy recipe and it can be prepared by working professionals who will be in a very hurry, and it is also useful for bachelors. Now let us have a quick look at what are all the ingredients required. So I have used 1 cup of rice, and I have used 3 to 4 strands of curry leaves, that is some 20 to 30 leaves, 1 table teaspoon of urad dal, and 2 table teaspoons of chana dal, and 1 lemon, and actually half a lemon is enough, and 1 green chili. If the green chili is not spicy, you can use 2 according to your taste, and a turmeric powder, pinch of turmeric powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. Now let us now I'm dry frying the dals, and later on I'll be dry frying the green chili and curry leaves, and later we'll be grinding them. I have not used any oil. This is dry fry, and we have to fry it till it is till it is golden brown and it turns aromatic. Okay, now the dals are done. I have dry fried, and see the color is changed. It has turned golden brown, and when it turns aromatic, I have switched on the flame, and I am transferring these to another plate. And now I am going to add the curry leaves. And we can start frying these. And we have to fry these also when it turns when the color fades away. Okay, I have dry fried the green chili and curry leaves also. See, you can see the difference here. It is almost become dry, and see the green chili, you should get white like this. So that means it is fried. Now I am going to transfer all these things to a mixie jar. And the first what we had fried, I'm going to add that one also. I'm going to grind all these to a nice powder. Okay, now the powder is nicely grinded. It should not be coarse, it should be very nice, so that it should mix with rice. So now I'll switch on the flame. Now I'll add little ghee. You can add 1 teaspoon of ghee, and after the ghee is hot, we can start adding the grinded powder, turmeric, salt, and hing. Okay, now the oil is the ghee is heated. I'm going to add the grinded powder. I'm going to add turmeric. I'm going to add little hing. And a pinch of salt. And we'll fry this. First of all, the curry leaves has a good aroma, and when you are frying this in ghee, it turns more aromatic. Okay, now I have fried the powder with little ghee. And now the final step is we have to add the rice. This is a very simple recipe. Anybody can make it, and it is very quick also to make it. I'm going to add a drop of lemon also. I'm squeezing the lemon also. Okay, now I have mixed the rice also, and it is very homogeneous, and I'll just transfer it to the bowl. This is a very simple recipe, and you can pack it for the lunch box also. This curry leaves has a very good medicinal value, and it is very good for digestion and is very helpful for eyesight also. And I suggest to all the moms whose kids just keep aside all the curry leaves just to try this dish once in a week, so that the kids also will have proper intake of the curry leaves. And continue watching my videos for more and more of such green recipes, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.